Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lola, AE29 DIY, and on this channel we normally do DIYs, but today I am just going to do a little mini vlog for you. In the meantime, Happy New Year! So these are the little mini flower pots that I went to IKEA for. So I did a little DIY recently. I put together a desk for the children to do their homework on. And I wanted something to to just jazz up the table a little bit. Guys, if you want to know where I got these bits from, like I said, it's from IKEA. I will be leaving the links down below. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but I will leave the links down below if you guys are interested in purchasing. So these are the flower pots that I bought. I think they're cute. They jazz up the table a little bit. So yeah, but in the meantime, I wanted to show you their flower section department. I'm not sure how to say it, but yeah, like their gardening section. But with this section, I think it's only artificial flowers. I don't think they were real flowers, and they just had some amazing pieces. I mean, look at these vases. I just love them. I love the shapes, I love the colors. It just looks so pretty. So I just said, oh, let me just film a little thing and show you guys, and hopefully I can inspire someone, because I like flowers. What it is with me, I just don't know how to maintain. If I have a plant in my house, it'll probably just die tomorrow. So, but I do love flowers. So I will leave you guys now to have a good look at some of the flowers and the vases, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really do appreciate you all. I just want to say once again, Happy New Year, Happy 2024. I pray we all have a blessed one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys soon in the next video. Ciao.